An intense lower belly workout is a series of exercises designed to target the lower abdominal muscles, increase metabolism, and tone the abs. This workout typically includes exercises such as burpee, mountain climber, leg lifts, crunches, and more. Maintaining good form and carrying out each movement with control and focus are crucial for getting the most out of a challenging lower belly workout. This will guarantee the correct activation of the targeted muscles and maximize the effectiveness of the workout. Remember, every time you work out, you're one step closer to becoming the best version of yourself. Keep pushing yourself and your body will thank you for it. Good luck and let's get started. Next, lunge jumps. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, cross jump jack. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, butt kicks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, burpee side taps. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, you board crunch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, wood choppers left. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, wood choppers right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, walk down. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, slow mountain climber. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, lunge jumps. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, cross jump jack. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, butt kicks. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, burpee side taps. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, you bought crunch. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, wood choppers left. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, wood choppers right. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, walk down. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time. Next, slow mountain climber. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest time.
If you are looking for natural weight loss solution, please visit to my channel and like this video and subscribe it and share it with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.